this is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up properly for picoworkers and work and do little tasks to earn little money for yourself, guys. So like I've said, I've done a video about this platform where I told you everything about this platform. So I got some comments from some people, that they are finding it difficult to actually establish or create the account properly. So that's why I'm doing this video, to show you how or what you need to set up, how you need to set up your account properly so that you can start working and start earning money here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to log in into my own account. So I'm logging into my own account right now to show you what you need to do in order to set up your picoworkers account properly. So if you ever sign up for picoworkers, the link to sign up will be in the description below. Make sure to use the link to sign up so that you earn 50 cents for yourself. If you use that link, you earn 50 cents. So guys, thank you. So in this platform you can do simple tasks. You already know what this platform is. If you don't know what this platform is, I've done a little video about it. This platform is a platform where you could start doing little jobs, little tasks, and on your spare time, maybe when you have time and you don't know what to do with your phone, you could just come to this platform, do little tasks, and earn a couple of cents and dollars for yourself. As you can see, I have little money here. I have about $3, going to $3 right here, and I've been on this platform just for a little while, and I don't normally do this every time, just few time when I have just few minutes to spend online. I just come here and do little tasks and earn some money for myself, guys. So the mistake some people do is they don't set up their account properly, and it could haunt them because it's got some other things, to submit jobs and the rest of them. So I'll go to my profile right now, to my account settings. So get to my account settings. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you set up your account properly. You upload a nice image of yours. So I uploaded this image of mine here. Then you want to write your full name, and your email address. Okay, make sure the information is correct. Then you select your country. Obviously I'm from Nigeria, so select your normal country. As you can see, I'm not using any VPN or anything here. Everything here is legit. So you want to check all these things, but it's your choice. If you don't want to receive anything, you can check on and check them. It's a choice. Then this about me page, you want to write a little stuff about yourself, and you want to write about me, your hobbies, your interests, your favorite stuff, and you click on save about me section. It's gonna save. So after that, you need to come here again and go to my profile. As you can see, you will see some stats about some things here. You see how many work you've done, how many satisfied, how many is not satisfied, how much you have earned, and the rest of them, guys. So right now, as you can see, I've done quite a lot of job here. I've done 26 jobs here. I've just been here for a little time and I've done 26 jobs. That's amazing. And I've earned almost close going to $3 right now. So guys, you can also do post jobs in this platform. So you can also come to this platform and post job. Maybe you want somebody to you want people to massively subscribe to your YouTube channel. You could just come here, post job, and tell them to subscribe, and the rest of them get watch time, subscription, and the rest of them. So like I said earlier on, if you use the link in the description to sign up, you get 50 cents that you can use to post job here. So that's basically what this platform is all about. Then you could also withdraw your money through PayPal. And if you don't know how to create PayPal account, of course I'm going to do a video about that very soon, but I'll show you how to withdraw your money with PayPal, or how you could create a PayPal account as well. So these picoworkers, I like the platform. At least when I'm less busy, I'm not doing anything, I could come here to do little jobs to earn, and you could also do these stuff to also earn for yourself. So guys, I believe you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and it helps me keep putting more content for the web here. And share this video to any of your friends that you know is finding it difficult to create a picoworkers account. All they need to do is to make sure they set up the account properly with the right information, and they are good to go. You can do this on a smartphone as well, so you know it's the same basic thing. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and I want you to like this video if you haven't liked it, subscribe, hit the bell notification button. My contact details are in the description below, so you can contact me, send me an email, and the rest of them. So without further ado, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.